Discover the PAUDIN Chef Knife, your new favorite kitchen companion. Crafted from high-carbon German stainless steel, is rust-resistant, durable, and built to last. With its versatile 8-inch blade, it easily handles chopping, slicing, and dicing of fruits, vegetables, and meats like chicken, beef, and fish. The ergonomic packerwood handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip, perfect for everyday cooking or as a gift. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect knife set for your kitchen? The Ninja Foodi knives offer 5 expertly crafted blades, including an 8-inch chef knife, bread knife, carving knife, a utility knife, and a paring knife. Made from durable German rust-resistant stainless steel, these knives slice smoothly through any ingredient. The innovative storage block features an integrated sharpener, helping your knives stay sharp for years. Enjoy precise control, comfortable handling, and peace of mind with the 10-year guarantee. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and colorful knife set to elevate your cooking game? The Amazon Basics knives offer 12 specially designed knives, including paring, utility, santoku, carving, chefs, and bread knives, all with durable stainless steel blades that stay sharp. Their unique color coding makes for quick identification and safer food preparation, while the non-stick coating ensures effortless cutting. Ergonomic handles provide comfort and control, and matching blade covers keep your knives safe and organized. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Victorinox Swiss Classic Kitchen Knife Set, your new must-have for every breakfast table. These versatile knives are perfect for slicing bread rolls, croissants, tomatoes, sausages, and fruit with ease. The serrated edges and rounded tips ensure a clean cut without crushing or tearing. Ergonomically designed with lightweight handles, they offer a comfortable grip and precise control. Made with Swiss quality for durability and easy to clean, you'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Nuovva Knife Set, an essential 5-piece collection perfect for every kitchen. Featuring a 4.5-inch utility knife, an 8-inch slicing knife, an 8-inch chef knife, an 8-inch serrated bread knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife, this set makes food preparation effortless. Crafted with sharp, durable, and non-stick grey granite coating, these knives glide through fruits, vegetables, meats, and cheeses. Lightweight, comfortable to hold, they combine stylish design with professional performance. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and stylish knife set for your kitchen? The Nuovva Knife Set includes 7 sharp stainless steel knives, a pair of scissors, and a knife sharpener, making it perfect for all your cooking needs. Its futuristic rotating stand is not only modern and easy to clean, but also offers safe, effortless access to your knives from any angle. Designed with comfort in mind, these ergonomic handles make chopping a breeze, an ideal gift for any home chef. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Upgrade your kitchen with the LARHN knife rack, a stylish and eco-friendly bamboo wall-mounted magnetic strip. Designed to create more space, it keeps your knives, spice jars, notes, and recipes organized and within easy reach. With the perfect magnetic force, it securely holds your utensils without damage. Its full-length magnetic core allows you to attach more items in any arrangement. Plus, it comes with a lifetime guarantee and a 30-day risk trial. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.